Hello everybody. Today is bisque day. So, here it is. Okay. I made it. It's a vase. I like it. Okay. This is what's gonna come out. It's a shell. And that's a flower, and that's another shell. I'm going to put them all over my front door. Flowers. I'm going to give it to my mom. She wants flowers. Okay. More flowers. Flowers. I went crazy with flowers. 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 You see? Okay, that's one of my students made. Of course, she forgot to glue it. Even though I asked her, she said, yeah, I did. It's a bird. Look at that. It's a spoon rest. More shells. More flowers. More shells. No. Leaves. Hold on a second. Leaves. I'm also gonna put them together on one of my plants. Snail that I made. Okay. That's for my mom. She wanted another caterpillar, so that's gonna be for her. Now, wow, this I'm gonna put it here. This is gonna be a Hanukkah candle holder for Hanukkah. It says here, צריך שכל איש ידע ויבין שבתוכו דולק נר. It means that every person should know and understand that there is a light, inside of him. I didn't write that. Okay. Wow, more flowers, I think I'm just gonna, more flowers. I think maybe I was bored a little bit. More, many flowers. Flowers. Okay, now this is gonna be for the candles. You see? It's rocking. Well, I tried to make it so it doesn't rock, but that's what happened. What can I say? I put sandbags and everything on, but with that it's not rocking so bad. That's gonna be something like that. Nice, no? That Kira made a plate. Nice. Okay, more leaves, more shells, more flowers, more, and that's a plate. Let me put it here. That's also one of my students made. It's nice. Okay. Sorry. It's a void. Okay. That one of my students made. says Tony Mazal Tov. Happy birthday. And his name is Gil. And he made it, and it's just, I think it's the first. He's really talented. I think it's the first thing he made here, which is amazing. Really. Really perfect, actually. That one of my students made. It says in Iman. It's written in Arabic. Okay. This also Gil made. Look at that. And this, what's so amazing about it is that he made it. It's not on the wheel. It's a hand build, which is incredible. Okay. Isn't that cute? It's a turtle. Okay, now that's the kid. My kid student made it. It's cute. I like it. Okay, that Kira made it. I think. Yeah, I think she did. If they don't write their names, I don't remember. That Kira made. That I don't remember. Unfortunately. That Nama made. Nice. So, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. See you next video. Bye.